Okay, we got a 2020 Nissan Altima. Basically, we added the shock sensor to the factory alarm system. You may purchase the kit at addshocksensor.com. That's ADDshocksensor.com. And it will come with an installation video how to do it yourself exactly on this vehicle. So you don't have to worry about getting a video from, let's say, another car like a Honda Accord, and then you have to kind of like improvise how to do it. No, the video is going to be exactly on the same car that you have. Might be a different color, but it will be a Nissan Altima, and it will tell you exactly how to make the full wire connection. It's very easy. I think anybody who knows how to follow directions will be able to do it. We never had a situation that somebody wasn't able to do it. Plus, we have good tech support that you can give us a call and we can help you out over the phone. The way it works is added to the factory alarm, of course. That way you don't have to carry another remote control around. If somebody walks up and they try to bust out the lock nut locks, the alarm will fire off. And of course, it will not interfere with your remote start. You'll still be able to remote start the car and everything. Car just started right up. Okay. So that will eliminate one email. If it has something to do with it prevent your remote start from working, no, it has nothing to do with your remote start. It has nothing to do with any other function in the car. Everything will remain the same. Forgot how to turn it off. I think you hit lock, and then you have to hold it down. Yeah, there you go. Turns it off. I don't own the vehicle, so I forgot the procedure, but I know you got to hit lock and then press this twice, and it will remote start. And then to turn it off, you hit lock and press this twice, and that will turn it off. You may purchase a kit, and as a do-it-yourself kit. The website again is addshocksensor.com. ADDshocksensor.com. Thank you for watching this video.